Today, I'm going to teach you how to download a completed DocuSign document. Whether you need a copy for your records or want to share a finalized agreement with your team, this process makes retrieving your signed documents quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your DocuSign homepage where you can access all your documents and agreements. Now look at the top toolbar on your screen. You'll see several options available, but we're interested in the one labeled Agreement. Click on it to proceed. This section is where all your envelope activity lives, from drafts to completed signatures. Once you're in the Agreement section, shift your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll notice a menu labeled Envelopes with multiple filtering options. You'll see categories like Inbox, Sent, and Completed. These filters help you organize and locate documents based on their current status. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on Completed. This filter displays all envelopes that have been fully signed and finalized by all parties. After clicking Completed, you'll see a list of all your finished documents. Browse through this list and locate the specific envelope or document you want to download. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that envelope entry. You'll notice a download button positioned right beside it. Click on this button to initiate the download process. Now here's a useful feature. If your envelope contains multiple PDFs and you'd prefer to have them combined into a single file for easier management, look for a checkbox option. Check the box that allows you to combine all PDFs into one file, then click Download. This consolidates everything into a single comprehensive document rather than separate files. After clicking Download, the file will begin processing and saving to your device. Navigate to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Download section. Once your file has finished downloading, click Open to view the document immediately. This lets you verify that you've downloaded the correct file and that everything looks as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your completed DocuSign document and can now access it whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.